Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your ActiveCampaign contacts with exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your ActiveCampaign contacts, start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Contacts tab on the sidebar. From the Contacts page, you will see a list of all your contacts. To initiate the export, click on the Export button located above the contact list. A drop-down menu will appear with different export options. Choose the Export All option to export all your contacts or select a specific segment if you only want to back up certain contacts. After selecting your preferred option, a dialog box will appear asking you to confirm the export. Click Export to begin the process. ActiveCampaign will now generate a CSV file with your selected contacts. Depending on the number of contacts, this may take a moment. Once the export is complete, you will receive a notification. Click the notification link to download the CSV file to your computer. Be sure to choose a location on your computer where you can easily find the file later. Now that your contacts are backed up, consider storing the CSV file in a secure location. You might want to use cloud storage for added security. Remember to regularly back up your contacts to keep your data safe. This process ensures that you can restore your contacts if needed in the future. With these steps, you've successfully backed up your ActiveCampaign contacts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.